This is our PRA-52 ceiling installation condenser microphone hanging microphone. It's easy to install and play. It's especially designed for the church choir. PRA-52 is a professional sound reinforcement solution for theatrical stages, orchestra pits, meeting rooms, audience response, remote monitoring, ambience recording, or other worship applications. Install the XLR male connector to the amplifier or mixer output as shown in the video. Hang the microphone from the ceiling according to the stage performance. For school auditorium, stage performance, live drama performance without any disturbance, crystal clear sound first.